walkable board. This the 805 East Midlands Railway Service to Nottingham. Calling Kettering, Market Harbour, Leicester, Loughborough, East Midlands Parkway, Beeston, Nottingham, where we do drive at 9:48. First combination found towards the front in the blue seats, standard towards the rear in the red seats. Our fully no smoking trains does include toilets and vestibules, also there are safety posters adjacent to the active doors. Luggage racks can be found above the end of each coach, however the overhead racks are for small items only. Keep an eye on your luggage, and if you do notice it, if you know anyone acting suspicious, get in touch via myself and train team of the British Transport Police. Alternatively, get in touch with them on 61016 by text. Please remember the free SSC. Next calling point, Kettering, arriving in at approximately 8:52.